Hey guys, welcome to the Rewind podcast. I have two really important people with me as guests today. They are relationship experts. They both have amazing YouTube channels, amazing followings, and I wanted to help get some great information out to my clients about their YouTube channels. It's Alex and Apollonia. Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Thanks for having us.
So I have a question that some of my clients sent to me that I want to just ask you because I told them that I was going to be talking to you. Libido is a big issue when it comes to hormones. We find that when partners have differences in sexual desire, that one partner can become frustrated, sad, and even angry. What are some ways to tell your partner that this is a big problem for them without having the other partner appear defensive or even attacked? So what is the right way to bring it up?
Yeah, it's not easy because we touch some intimate communication, and it can touch some ego sometimes, specifically for men, I would say. But I found that the best way of communication is mostly to be open and to choose your words. So start with the valorization, saying like, I love our relationship, I love you, you're such an amazing husband, wife. I want you to talk to you a little bit about our libido because I feel we can do better. And it's very important to use the word we, to start with a we, not you, so this person will not feel bad or sad. We can just make it as a relationship kind of issue, basically. So the number, like to start with the valorization, using we is very important, but then to also show that we want something. We can use some emotional words. I want something, I'm craving thing. I want more orgasm. I want more vibration. I want more pleasure. Some emotional words that will touch our partner. And if it's too difficult, we were doing a video about this right before, just Brian and myself, because I feel it's very important to just do the first step. So if you feel that there is a lack of libido, you need to show, I just did this questionnaire, I just talked to this guy, Brian is amazing, he's helping me. And if you do the first step, I feel that your partner will be more open to do it with you too.
Yep. Sometimes in life, it's the first step, right?
Yeah. I want to add to that too, because I think it's really important. Two things. Number one is when you have to have those conversations, make sure that it's not in the bedroom, like it's not at home. Like maybe you guys get in the car and you're doing a road trip and talk about it on a road trip. Talk about it outside of the bedroom, right? And another thing too, and I actually have it in my program, again, the Master of the Bedroom program, is there's this checklist that you have in regards to kinks, fantasies, anything like that. And you both fill out the checklist individually, and then you make it a fun exercise when you're at dinner and you talk about it, right? And it gives you the idea, because a lot of couples, it's not that they don't want to talk to their partner, it's one, they don't know how, because of the fact that they've been so stagnant in probably the communication or just in life, and they're just going through the movements of stress, and who knows, maybe they had to take care of a mother, a father, and there's so much that goes on. They're catering to everybody else that they forget to cater to their relationships. So that's one way that you have to do it. And then secondly, it's really important that, just like Alex was saying, is that you make it a we conversation and not I need you to do this, do this, do this. The biggest way that you're going to help, and this is for women too and men, is just by asking questions, right? Do you feel like our sex life is the best it could be? No. Why do you think that, right? Be more inquisitive than actually having to tell somebody, and that's what starts the conversation.
Right. Great response. Great. Mm-hmm. Well, guys, thank you for being on the show. I'm hoping that they will come back and enjoy the view and film again. Yeah. And if you guys don't follow, I'm going to put their links. I'm not good at my videos yet of telling people that I have all of the links in the bottom, but I'm going to put the links to their YouTube channels and to their social media. They give out amazing advice. I think everyone would be served by watching their videos and following them. And thanks, guys, for having been on the show.
Thank you.
Thank you.